In this video, I just want to talk about how to import graphics from StatCrunch into a document that you might be writing. So here I have my document, blah, 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 and I want to insert a graphic. So what I'll do is I'll go to StatCrunch and I'll make a graph. Maybe I'll do something silly here, just make a pie chart based on the degree here. So there I have a pie chart. Now what you want to do first is scale it so that it looks good. Maybe not crunch it up like this. That doesn't look so hot. Don't make it too wide. Try to scale it so that the proportions look the best. And when you get it to that, go to the top and choose Copy. And it'll give you instructions here. It says right-click the image, and it also some other instructions open up if you need something extra here. I'm just going to right-click it and choose Copy. You didn't see the little window that came up, but it did. And then I'll go back to my document editor and I will paste it in. There it is. And then you'll want to size it as appropriate so that it fits nicely in the document, and choose any settings that you need to choose so that it looks nice. Now I may also want to insert a table into my document, and for that let's go ahead and make a table. So I'll close these things here. Let's make a contingency table. Tables, contingency from the data. Let's do degree and FTE. I'm not saying that this makes sense to look at this. I'm just trying to make a quick table here. And there's my table. So for the table, you'll see if you go to copy, it'll tell you it doesn't work the same way. It's got different instructions. So follow these instructions. And basically, it's just telling you to drag your mouse over the parts of the table that are important. I don't think that you'll be wanting to look at this chi-squared statistics business. This is advanced statistics that you may not be after. So I would just select the table unless I need to do something fancier. And then I would go into my Word document and make some space down here. And I'll go ahead and paste the table in. Let me try that again. There you go. And notice it is a table in the Word document, so you can edit this table in the Word document to make it look nicer. Okay, maybe you want to make it a little wider, maybe you want to make the lines between the cells a little bit more pronounced, things like that. So please do that to make it look nice. You may even change the title of the table and things like that. All right, so this is how we can get information from StatCrunch and paste it into a document that we're writing.